morning and welcome to the Oxford Sandy and Blake Pig Group Foundation Charity Christmas Competition 2024. Question 4. I'll get onto that in a minute. Just to let you know that this competition, for those that have missed the earlier videos, there is a YouTube playlist. I'll put the link just there for you to see all the previous questions. Just in case you've missed any of those, they are all there. They're also pinned to the top of our Facebook groups as well, if you're interested in taking on our quiz, where you can our competition, where you can win the charcuterie chamber humidifier and temperature kit from Inkbird that lets you set up your own curing chamber for the likes of salami and chorizos and hams, etc, etc. And also there's the curing and smoking book from with a cottage, and then lastly there is the starter kit for salami and chorizo from Festive that's got everything you need bar the pork to get you started with your own chorizo and or salamis. So where we left you on question 3, I thought maybe I might give you a couple of hints to help out on those two sequences of letters. So the first sequence, the top one, I'm going to give you a clue, a name of an actor, John Lithgow. And for the one at the bottom, I'm going to give you the name of 2 actors to help you along. The second one will come in a few days, but the first one is Brad Pitt. So they're the 2 clues to question 3, the top sequence and the bottom sequence. John Lithgow, Brad Pitt. So here we are with question 4. It's quite straightforward. It's to spot the difference, but I have been a little bit mean to you, so let's see if you can spot that. So there are two spot the differences. Basically the number of differences that you can find in each picture will give you the number that you've assigned to the letters at each side of the spot the differences. And again, you make a note of those in your book, so you get ready to when I publish the grid reference format for you to plug your numbers in from the A, B, C, D's, E's, etc, so you can find that hidden place here in the UK and potentially win what I've been talking about. Anyway, enough waffling from me. Here are the 2 spot the difference. Are the 2 spot the differences, question 4, A and B. There you go, that's question 4. We are halfway now. Next question will be out Thursday, Friday this week, and then another one on Sunday, and then we're into the sort of home stretch, as it were, for the final 2 questions, and then I'll give you all the details so that you can enter your answers and potentially win that fantastic prize that's been given to us via Inkbird. Anyway, until next time, stay safe.